Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to put together a clarinet. Well, I sent this to Tom, so I have duct tape one in this, but I'm going to use my quick store. Okay, can you hold it? Okay. So anyway, first you take your bell in this part and you put it together. And then you take the other piece, see the difference? And you put it together, and then you take your barrel, put it on the bigger piece on, and then take your mouthpiece and put it on, and then take your reed and put it on here. Of course it will be wet, but you have to slip on it so it's wet, so it'll play. And then you take your ligature, and then you put it on. Make sure it's far down enough. And that's how you put together a clarinet. Thanks for watching.